Mount Spokane, a staple of the Spokane area, sits at an elevation of 5,883 feet. The mountain was previously known as Mount Baldy and Mount Carlton, and it did not receive its name as Mount Spokane until 1912. A businessman by the name of Francis H. Cook purchased the summit of Mount Spokane and developed a road that began in 1909 that led towards the top, but it was just 3 short miles of the top. Other business owners helped hold the land, including the owner of the Davenport Hotel, Lewis M. Davenport. In 1927, Mount Spokane officially became a state park. With 1,500 acres, it was the first state park east of the Cascades. In the 1930s, several ski clubs, including the Spokane and Selkirk Ski Club, purchased 500 acres at the peak of Mount Spokane, which would eventually become the Spokane Ski Resort. At the time of its establishment, a double chairlift was developed, and it is believed that this was the first double chairlift in the world. Over the last several thousand years, the Spokane tribe and other indigenous peoples have used Mount Spokane for spiritual pilgrimages. During the summertime, one can drive up to the summit using a paved road, and 4-wheel drive is not required. At the summit, you will find Vista House, which acts as the center point for Mount Spokane, providing views of Idaho, Canada, and the surrounding areas. Mount Spokane State Park is one of my favorite places to visit in Washington State because of all the activities that it provides. In the summertime, you can hike, you can camp, you can mountain bike. During the winter, you can snowboard, ski, snowshoe, and snowmobile. This is Adventuring with Braden. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay tuned for my next video.